Just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet awake. Just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaishnavi and you guys have been asking me tons of questions on my Instagram about how I take care of my hair and how I got rid of my hair fall and what is my hair care routine. So today finally I'm here doing this video and I'm gonna share what products I use or what home remedies do I use to keep my hair growing, healthy and shiny. I just quickly wanted to tell you about the texture of my hair. So my scalp is oily, so it did not show that much volume at the top of my head, but the end and middle of my hair, they're frizzy, so you can see there's a lot of volume here. So first things first, I wash my hair twice a week. You shouldn't wash your hair so often because if your scalp is already oily and you are washing it again and again, it will produce even more oil onto your scalp and you will have to wash your hair very often, and that leads to hair damage. So even if my scalp gets oily within 2 days, what I do is I just use powder on my scalp and I just rub it with my fingers, and what it does is it soaks all the oil and you will not need to wash your hair very often. Now the second thing is, wait, I know you have heard this everywhere, everybody says this, but don't damage your hair by using heat every single day. Okay, don't blow dry your hair every time you wash them. Just leave them like that and let them air dry. Next step is conditioner. You don't have to forget conditioner, you guys. It's really very important. Please don't skip it. There is no time frame to keep the conditioner on your hair, but what I usually do is I just wash my hair, then I apply conditioner and leave it like that. Then I wash my body. It usually takes me 10 to 12 minutes and then I rinse off the conditioner. After washing my hair and letting them air dry, I use this solution called Folifast. It has 95% of alcohol. It smells so strong, but it is very good for oily scalp. By the way, it is to be applied only on the scalp. So when I use this, the hair on my top looks a bit bouncy. So I use this daily and I think it is working amazingly for me. The packaging looks like this. And the bottle, it has bottle in it and also a dropper to apply it. It makes the application so easy. And for my hair ends, I use this hair serum from Strix. This makes my hair so smooth and silky, so I just love it. Now for the hair fall, I use a home remedy actually. Someone once told me that onion juice works so perfectly for hair fall and hair growth. So I just gave it a try and you know what, it literally worked amazingly. I would highly recommend you guys to use that because it makes your hair so strong and healthy, and it even stops the hair fall. You just need to make onion juice and apply it onto your scalp. What I do is I just fill it in the spray bottle for that easier application. I will link both of these products in the description below. They are super affordable, you can check it out. I don't do much for my hair. This is all I do and it works perfectly for me. I will let you know what shampoo and conditioner do I use in part 2 of this video, so stay tuned for that. So yes, this is it for today's video. I hope this will help you solve your hair problems, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.